Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll see what are the messages for you for this month. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. So just take what resonates and leave the rest. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are the messages for Cancerians. The Wheel of Fortune has shown up, so maybe something is changing. So let's see what are the messages for Cancerians for this month. Okay, so the Seven of Wands, the Ten of Wands, the Death, the King of Wands, the King of Swords, the Ten of Cups, the Knight of Pentacles, the World, the Four of Pentacles, okay, and the Star. Okay, then let's have one more, the Page of Cups and the Page of Wands. Okay, so Cancerians, there is some sort of resistance over here. You are struggling with something. Okay, so definitely there is a situation in which you are trying to prove yourself, or you're trying to defend yourself, or there is some sort of a resistance. So it's a difficult situation, whatever it is which you are dealing with. But the thing is that you really want to put it aside. You really want to unburden yourself from whatever you are struggling with, or whatever you are trying to defend. So whatever the situation is, either there is some sort of a resistance from others, or you're trying to defend your point, you're taking your stand, you're taking your ground, whatever you are doing. But the thing is, now you want to put it aside. It's done. It's done. Maybe. So this struggle is coming to an end, basically. That's what I'm trying to say. And either once you leave this struggle and you let it go, or you unburden yourself, either that itself relieves you from this situation. It can be that also. Or it is just by itself, it's just by itself that you want to unburden yourself and you leave the resistance. It can be that also. So either you yourself let it go and leave the resistance and the situation ends. It can be that, or it can be that it itself, that time is over, that phase of life is over when you were dealing with this situation, and it's done. It's you've done your bit and it's done. So maybe it's the cycle itself is completing, and the situation of struggle and resistance and is ending, and you are feeling unburdened. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. So the situation is ultimately ending. So you will be you will feel relieved after this situation, because it's a major change or a transition which is coming in. It is giving you a sigh of relief. And following it, we have the King of Wands, the King of Swords, and the Ten of Cups. So definitely what I feel is once this phase ends, you let it go, or the situation itself is ending by whatever reason. So once this resistance is ending, or the situation is ending, the struggle is ending, you feel good about yourself, you feel empowered, you feel good, you feel confident, it's everything positive. You are really feeling good about yourself. You feel you're back in power, you feel good, you feel confident, everything is sorted out. And you are even keeping you're very straightforward here, and you are even guarding your happiness. So maybe you are being a little defensive in your attitude. You're guarding your happiness perhaps, or you're guarding your newly found peace, whatever it is, but you are feeling good about yourself. And we have the Ten of Cups. So definitely once you are able to let go of this struggle or the resistance, or it ends by itself, with the time, or it is sorted out, whatever it is giving you a sigh of relief. You are back in power, you feel good about yourself, and you are feeling very very happy, and you are here moving in towards, it is a relationship, whatever it is, then you are able to get it. So here you are ultimately feeling very happy, confident, emotionally fulfilled, content. Everything is fit and fine over here. And with the Knight of Pentacles in the world, the Four of Pentacles being next, what I feel is once you regain the control and you are emotionally balanced, I should say, you are emotionally happy, sorted out, everything is in a good space, you start moving with the Knight of Pentacles towards building something new. That's what I feel. Very slowly and very very steadily with the Knight of Cups, you are moving in towards a change, with the world being there, ending of an old cycle. So when this thing ends, this situation ends, it is giving you the confidence and the power, the sense of well-being, and you feel emotionally nourished and emotionally satisfied. So once you are in that space of mind, you move in very very slowly and steadily, and wisely also, okay, towards a building up of something new, with the world being there. So the old cycle is ending, you want to build something new. Perhaps you're not even telling that, it's something closely guarded, so you're moving slowly and steadily, it's closely guarded, and you want to, it's a cycle which is something is ending, something new you want to build up for yourself in life, but you're closely guarded, you are keeping it close to your heart. But yes, with the Star being next, definitely it's something which is giving you, it's your dream, it's you're building your dreams. Basically you start moving forward towards building your dreams, because with the Ten of Cups and the Kings being there, you feel empowered, you feel good about yourself, you feel that you are in that energy that now you can build something for yourself anew, your dreams, you can start working on your dreams, something like that, which you are very close to your heart, and you are even guarding them very close to your heart. So I really don't feel that you're telling those things to anyone, but yes, you are moving forward slowly and steadily. Okay, and then we have the Page of Cups and the Page of Wands. So what I feel here is, these are definitely, you have learned something from the situation, and in a very loving and a very very passionate way, you are slowly and steadily taking small steps towards this, whatever this world card is for you, whatever this new dream is for you, whatever the star is for you, you slowly and steadily take steps to manifest it or to build it. That's what I'm trying to say. Let's see what is the message from this deck for Cancerians. Let's see what is the message from this deck for Cancerians. What else do the Cancerians need to hear? Anything specific? Anything more? Any other message for Cancerians from this deck? This is the Ten of Diamonds. So this is again a family card. So this is, we have the Ten of Cups here, we have the Ten of Diamonds here. So it is something stable, long term, committed. Okay, that's what is coming. If let's have one more card, that one jumped out. Okay, that is the High Priestess with the Two of Diamonds. So definitely you need to be in touch with your intuition. Yes, if you feel that you need to guard it, if you feel that you really don't need to disclose it, do that. But just keep following your intuition and do what you feel is right for you, and balance everything as you move forward. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels. Eight of Emotion. You have a deep longing for something meaningful in your life. In your heart, you know that there is something more out there waiting for you in the world. It may be the time to switch careers, move to a new home or a city, or initiate other important changes. Do what is right for you and seek out the magical new life. So just see the beautiful message for you, Cancerians. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.